Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. What are the different tools for our automation testing? So in today's fast-paced software development, automation testing, there are a number of the automation testing products are there which enables the quality at the speed for us. Like Selenium is there, which is a free open source to automate our web application. Appium is there for our mobile web applications or the native app application. If you want to automate, Appium is there. It's a free source also for us. And qtp is there, UFTVC, and it's a Microsoft product, and it's a paid one only. Telerik Studio is there, Catalan Studio, Apply Tools, Load Runner for the performance testing, JMeter for the performance testing. So here JMeter is a free source and Load Runner is a paid tool, so for the performance testing, right? Mostly time you will be here JMeter mostly used because it's a free source. Selenium we use because it's a free tool. Same things is happening with the help of a qtp as well. Same things will do the load runner also, which jmeter is doing, but these are the paid one, right? But jmeter, selenium are the free one only. So that's why mostly it gets used. So UI is there, rest assured is there, test magic is a new tool in the market which is also doing the functionality, but it's like a codeless. Everything they will write in the backend, just you have to use the functions there. So that's how the test magic tools are there. So multiple tools are in the market there for our automations, and we have to select the right tool based on the client requirement and the achievability what we can do with that.